see how to send custom follow-up messages within a chatbot to increase your conversions, leads, and sales. So here, so this is an example Instagram profile over here, and this person is actually promoting how I make passive income with Instagram, and it's actually having a link over here to some sort of courses or something like that. So let's say we're actually promoting this particular link through a chatbot, and let's say after we shared the particular link to this particular page, if a particular customer check out this particular page, we can send one sort of follow-up message. Suppose if they do not actually visit this particular page or do not actually click on the link we shared with them through the chatbot, we can actually send some other sort of follow-up message. So in this video I'm going to show that how to actually achieve this. So here I have already created some sort of script over here. Start with would you like to learn how to make passive income on Instagram, and we will have a button yes, and if they tap yes, we will simply send the link, and based on whether they actually clicking the link or not, we will actually send these sort of follow-up messages after like a few seconds or minutes. You can do that. So let's get started over here. So here I'm on the account dashboard over here with the analytics section. So head over to flows over here. This is where we actually create the custom flows. So section, let me add a new flow and name it as custom follow-up messages. So let me simply follow the same script right here. So here, would you like to learn about making passive income? So here we have to add a text content over here. So you can simply say, hey there, would you like to learn more about making passive Instagram? So yes. So if they say yes, we can actually move to the next message over here, and the next message would be great, this one. So let me add a text content right here, and here if you want you can simply add like a delays as well, 2 seconds, and after that let me share that particular link over here. Here's the link, and here you can add any sort of emojis to, say down hand arrow over here, and here bless that. So you can actually have like 20 characters limitations over here. So you have to, so this is a limitation actually coming from the Instagram or Meta. So you have to make sure the button title is less than 20 characters over there. And here we have the link as well. Let me add the link real quick over here. All right, save it. And here if you want, like you can even add any sort of emojis to this button as well. So adding emojis to your buttons actually increase the click rates over there. So you can add a space, passive income. All right, and after that we can actually send the follow-up message. So we can actually send the follow-up message only if we can actually track their interactions over here. So let's say if they click this button, so let me go back. So here you can add additional actions over here. So here you can add a tag. So let me name this tag as clicked passive income. Simple as that. So here I'm adding a tag clicked passive income, save. So now when they actually tap on this button, a tag will be added for that particular customer who actually clicked on that link. If they do not tap on this button, then we won't actually see that particular tag on the customer's profile. So we can actually send customer follow-up messages based on that. So here you can add a waiting delay, use wait delay over here, and here you can set your own time frames over here. But for Instagram you are actually allowed to send any sort of follow-up messages within 24 hours, so you have to keep note of that. So here let me simply add 5 seconds, and here just for the demo I'm just adding 5 seconds, but you can keep add like minutes, hours over here. And after 5 seconds I want to check a condition, add a condition right here, and in this condition I want to choose tag because I'm actually adding a tag, and the tag should be clicked passive income. So if the tag is clicked passive income, then they have actually visited that particular website, and we want to send, if they clicked on this link, we want to send this sort of message for them. Awesome, I'm glad you got a chance to look at it, something like that. So let me simply add this particular message right here. And suppose if they do not actually click on that particular button, we won't see that tag, and we can simply send other sort of message right here. Add content text here. So here I think we can actually provide them with the link again as well. So let me add the link, access now, and you can add any sort of emojis. You can even search for these emojis as well. And here let me simply add the link right here. So add button, open website right here, passive income from that, or you can simply copy the same button as you see, or if you want you can actually change the button title as well. It's up to you. And here if you want, you can simply add an action again as well. So here add tag, clicked passive income, that's it. So here we are only sending just one follow-up message after 5 seconds based on if they actually clicked or not. So let me simply click publish over here. So now we can actually quickly test this one as well. So here just for this demo I want to test this through the keyword automation. So here head over to automated responses right here, and here you can actually set specific keywords. So when a particular customer DMs you a specific kind of keyword on any of these channels, then this particular automation can be triggered. So let's set that up over here. So let me add a new keyword, name this as passive. So if someone actually says passive, I want to trigger the flow, and the flow name is custom follow-up message, something like that. So let's see if we can find that flow. So it should be follow-up messages. So let's just search as follow-up messages over here, so we can easily find it, I guess. So custom follow-up messages. So this is the flow name, custom follow-up messages, and this is the flow name. As you see, that's it. Click save over here. So as you see here, when they say passive, we will simply send this particular custom follow-up messages automation. So let's test this on the Instagram right here. So let me share my Instagram over here and see what happens. So let me send the keyword passive, and it should actually trigger the automation right here. Hi there, would you like to learn how to make passive income on Instagram? Let me say yes, and it would say great, I am excited to share with you a comprehensive online course that will see. In this case I didn't actually click on the passive income button over here, so that's why I actually received this follow-up message as well. So let's say as soon as I clicked on this particular link, passive income, any of these buttons, a tag will be added to that particular customer. So before that, let me go to the inbox over here. So here inbox, and let me open that particular chat we are having over here. So here if we go to the tags, we don't see any tag related to clicked passive income. So it's a different tag we already assigned here, but we don't see the exact tag we actually set up for this particular button, which is clicked passive income. So now I want to click on this button over here, passive income, any of these buttons, and that particular tag will be added to that particular customer. So I just clicked, and it should actually open that particular course landing page over there. As you see, it's simply opened over there. So if I go back to inbox, and let me refresh this one first, just refresh the inbox, and here if we go to the tags, we should see clicked passive income as well. So because I just clicked the income, and here if you view executed buttons, view executed actions, tag applied, clicked passive income as well. So that's a simple way to send custom follow-up messages to your chatbot contacts based on the interactions. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.